guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of February. And I think that this box is really good. I took a peek inside. I actually used some of the products. Don't tell anyone. But I think it's really good, and I just want to show you guys like what I got, and it's fun, cool thing. I try some of the stuff on. If you want to see me post some more of these videos in the future, be sure to hit the little subscribe button and turn on the notifications to be notified when I do post those videos, because they're super cool. So if you want to watch this one, then obviously just keep watching. So I'm first gonna start off with the first thing in my box, which is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I've heard some good things about this. It's just a pore filling primer. I mean, nothing that I haven't tried before, you know. But this retails at $18. So that's already a good value for the box right there. So I'm just gonna pump this out. And now I'm just gonna go do my foundation and all of that good stuff real quick. And I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now that my face makeup is all done, I am going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have tried this mascara out before. I have mixed feelings about it. I think when you first get it, it's great, but it gets clumpy very quickly, and I don't really like that about it. But I am first going to start by curling my lashes. Now I'm just gonna go in with the mascara. Yeah, so like I said, I feel the exact same about this mascara, like in the fact that it is beautiful right now. I just, in the future, I don't know, you know? Now, this highlight is absolutely beautiful, but it is not for my skin tone. So this is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter in Sparkling Sass. And yeah, like, it's beautiful, but it is too dark for my skin tone. I will swatch it for you guys, but I don't think that I'm going to use this on my face right now. Instead, the ColourPop Flexitarian highlight is much more suitable for my skin tone. So you definitely can't see that, I don't think, but it is pretty. I don't know, like, what else to say. It's pretty. I like it. I just wish that it was for my skin tone. Now, I have the Trestique. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I absolutely love the packaging on these. They look like little pencils, and it's so cute and adorable. In my Ipsy bag, I actually canceled it for the next couple of months. So Boxycharm is all I'll be getting, but in my Ipsy bags in the past, I've gotten like mini versions of these, and I've loved them like a lot. So I haven't tried this color out, and I actually have lip balm on my lips right now. I'm just gonna wipe that off if I can, so I can get like an accurate kind of, I don't know, review, I guess. But this is like a primer balm thing. It's supposed to like smooth out your lips, like fill in lines and stuff. Oh, and I keep forgetting to like say the price of everything. So the Better Than Sex mascara is $24, so automatically that alone is gonna be more than the price of the box, worth more than the price of the box. And then the Pretty Vulgar highlighter is $32, and then this Prime and Glaze lip crayon is $25. So the majority of the stuff that you're getting in your Boxycharm is actually worth more than the actual price of the Boxycharm, like the items alone. I believe the only thing in this box that is less is the Touch in Soul primer, so it's a really, really great value for the box. So I'm just gonna go in with this. Ooh, and this is, oh my gosh, this is such a pretty color. And I can tell this is like super buildable, so you can get like a super nice light wash of color, and then you can build it up if you want it super dark. I am kind of into the light wash. That's what I've been into recently. The biggest thing about that is that I eat like a decent amount, like more than your average person might. So I want something that's gonna like last on my lips and not going to fade throughout the day, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so this is super, super nice. Like, you know, after you put on your foundation and your lips, sorry, I'm like trying to talk while I'm putting this on. It's like kind of, yeah, okay. I don't know why I'm still holding this paper, but yeah, when you put on your foundation and it gets like on your lips and then you look like a ghost. Yeah, this kind of just looks like how my lips were before. Maybe just a little bit darker. So like your lips but better. And yeah, it's a nice little wash of color, and I don't really want to put on more than I need to. So I really like how this is right now. And then it's really cool when you put it back on, it snaps. It's like a magnet, like oh my god. And then the last thing, I obviously can't really show you guys. I mean, I guess I could, but I put on all this makeup and I want to FaceTime my boyfriend and have Valentine's Day dinner over FaceTime with him, and I want to look good. That information is unneeded, but yeah, anyway. So the last thing is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and this is worth $22, and it's very nice. I tried it out before just because I wanted to like give you a review, and I knew that I wouldn't be like taking off my makeup or showing washing my face on camera. One, because I feel like it's just hard to get like the setup right for that, and two, my bathroom is absolutely disgusting. But this is really nice. It gives like a good like lather. Like the only like soap stuff facial cleanser is the right word that I like that doesn't give a lather is the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser, and I mentioned that in one of my favorites videos. I don't know if that ever actually got uploaded, but I think that I did that. But yeah, I like my facial cleansers to have some lather because it feels like it's actually doing something, if you know what I mean, if you understand that, if you relate. The only thing that I do have to say is that it feels, I don't know if my skin is just super dry right now, but it feels like stripping and like it dries out your skin a little bit. I mean, I don't know. Take that with a grain of salt. Facial cleansers and things like that work different on everyone, so just keep that in mind. I guess that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed this month's Boxycharm. I think it was definitely a good one, and I can't wait to try out these products some more. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I try to post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Sometimes I miss a little bit. I'm a full-time student. But yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed. Alright, bye guys.